If you install a 5 kilowatt solar system under subsidy, then the cost comes to around rupees 2,80,000. However, it depends on which brand you choose and what type of system you install. Most of the directly subsidized systems use complete DCR panels. Those systems are installed for around rupees 2,80,000. But many people first install a 3 kilowatt system, then later upgrade it. In that case, the cost comes to around rupees 2,50,000. In this setup, 3 kilowatt DCR panels and 2 kilowatt non-DCR panels are used. Because of this, they save some money. If you install a mix of DCR and non-DCR panels, then you will not see much difference in power generation. You will get almost the same generation whether you install full 5 kilowatt DCR panels or mix non-DCR panels with them. So this is the price range for a subsidized system. But if you go for a non-subsidy off-grid system or a hybrid system, then you can reduce the cost. By choosing different batteries and inverters according to your need, you can prepare systems in different budgets. First, let us talk about people with a lower budget. They want to install 5 kilowatt panels, but their load will stay around 3.5 kilowatt. In that case, they can use a 5 kVA inverter, which is now available with almost every brand. Brands like Microtech, LiveGuard, Luminous, UTL, and Eastman offer many options in this range. But now, you need to decide whether you want a lithium battery setup or a lead-acid battery setup. Because if you prepare the setup with lithium batteries, then you will have to choose only those inverter brands that support lithium batteries. But if you prepare the setup with lead-acid batteries, then you can use an inverter from almost any brand. First, let us talk about the Eastman inverter. Their SmartMax 6100 model is a 48 volt inverter, and it supports both lithium and lead-acid batteries. It also comes with many advanced features. For example, it gives pure sine wave output, and you can enable or disable grid charging. If you do not want your battery to charge from the grid, then you can disable it. If you want charging from the grid as well, then you can enable it. The switching time in this inverter is less than 10 milliseconds. Along with that, if you install 5 kilowatt solar panels on it, then it can easily generate around 25 to 27 units daily. But this inverter supports more than 6 kilowatt panels. So, if you want to run maximum load directly on solar, then you can install up to 6 kilowatt panels on it. It supports every type of battery, including lead acid and lithium. It uses lossless MPPT charger technology. Its VOC range stays between 75 volts and 180 volts. Because of this, you can connect 3 solar panels in series. In this way, you can connect 9 solar panels by making groups of 3 in series. Even if you use 600 watt panels, you can easily install them on this inverter. It comes with a 104 ampere solar recharge controller, and it also has 3 working modes, which are intelligent, hybrid, and solar mode. Because of this, you can reduce your electricity bill and also get good battery backup. Along with this, the display shows how many units have been used from solar panels, and it also gives reverse voltage protection for solar. It also provides overcurrent charging protection. So, you can see that it comes with many useful features. Almost the same features are also available in EA Pro and UTL inverters. But now you need to decide whether you want lithium batteries or lead acid batteries. The prices of all these are almost similar. The inverter price is around rupees 45,000, and 4 lead acid batteries will cost around rupees 50,000. In this setup, the cost of 5 kilowatt solar panels will come to around rupees 80,000. But some panel brands are expensive, so the cost can go up to rupees 90,000. Apart from this, the extra structure and wiring cost will come to around rupees 40,000. So overall, the total system cost will come to around rupees 2,15,000. However, if you install lithium batteries instead of lead acid batteries, then the total cost will come close to rupees 2,35,000. But if you install lithium batteries, then you will also need an inverter from brands like UTL or Eastman that support lithium batteries. Now, if you want to install a hybrid system, then you can simply change the inverter and convert this setup into a hybrid system. A hybrid inverter costs around rupees 95,000. Because of this, the total system cost becomes around rupees 2,90,000. But this is a non-subsidy hybrid system. If you want to install it under subsidy, then you will need to use DCR panels, and DCR panels are much more costly. So you can see that around rupees 1,40,000 extra cost gets added in that case, and there will also be expenses for file charges and other work. So that system will cost around rupees 3,45,000, and then you will receive a subsidy of rupees 78,000. So overall, you will save around rupees 20,000 if you install the subsidized system. But if you want to avoid all the subsidy process and directly install the system, then you will have to pay this extra amount. The 5 kilowatt system that we discussed here, whether it is on-grid, off-grid or hybrid, gives almost the same electricity production. In all 3 systems, the generation stays around 25 to 30 units daily. If you install 1 or 2 extra panels, inverters, then the production can increase to around 35 units. On this 5 kilowatt system, you can run two 1-ton inverter air conditioners along with other household load, or you can run one 1.5-ton inverter air conditioner along with other household load. If you still have any questions or suggestions about this system, then comment in the video comment box. If you liked the video, then like and share it. Also subscribe to our channel. Along with subscribing, press the bell icon so that you continue getting such videos from time to time. Thank you.